Meet eyeZy mobile app, or simply the most reliable monitoring software you'll ever need. Designed with your concerns in mind, eyeZy can give you a whole picture of their phone activity. This includes GPS tracking to always know where they've been and where they're heading to, hidden microphone to hear your loved one's surroundings wherever they are and make sure they're safe, geofencing to help make sure they aren't going anywhere they shouldn't, contact list viewer so that you can know who they're talking to most, app statistics to see all the installed apps on their phone and check how long they use their device per day, panic button, which a child can use to notify their parent when they're in danger. Want to install eyeZy? Just follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Install the eyeZy app from the Apple Store or Google Play on your phone and open it. Step 2. Sign up to create your account. Step 3. Click on the plus button to link your child's device. This can be done using a QR code or link sent in a message. Step 4. Send the link to the device you want to monitor, or scan the QR code with their phone to start the installation process. Give all the permissions so that eyeZy can monitor their device. Now when everything is set, you can just relax and let eyeZy keep an eye on your loved ones when you're not with them. Need another installation method? eyeZy has solutions to suit everyone's needs, no matter what phone they use. Just head to our website or check out our YouTube channel to find the solution that works for you. eyeZy Phone Monitoring. See everything, everywhere.